Hi there, welcome to 1M Gadget. Today I will discuss Simple Mobile Prepaid, Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max, 64GB, silver, locked to carrier, Simple Mobile. So let's started. Size, 64GB color, silver model name, iPhone 11 Pro Max wireless carrier, Tracfone brand, Apple form factor, smartphone memory storage capacity, 64GB operating system, iOS. About this item carrier. This phone is locked to Simple Mobile from Tracfone, which means this device can only be used on the Simple Mobile wireless network. Plans. Simple Mobile offers a variety of coverage plans, including 30-day unlimited talk, text and data. No activation fees, no credit checks, and no hassles on a nationwide lightning-fast network. For more information or plan options, please check out the description. Activation. You'll receive a Simple Mobile SIM kit with this iPhone. Follow the instructions to get service activated with the Simple Mobile plan of your choice. 5-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, water and dust resistant, 4 meters for up to 30 minutes, IP68, triple camera system with 12MP ultra wide, and telephoto cameras, night mode, portrait mode, and 4K video up to 60 fps, 12MP true depth front camera with portrait mode, 4 Kelvin's video, and slow-mo Face ID for secure authentication, and Apple Pia 13 Bionic chip with 3rd generation neural engine, fast charge with 18W adapter included. Get products on description. Thanks.